This is a quick video of how to replace the front windshield wipers on a 2018 Mazda CX-5. There are some replacements where you can just swap out the blades on these, but I went ahead and just got these Trico exact fit ones, which actually have the right connectors. Normal windshield wipers won't work on the Mazdas. I'm going to put a link to Amazon below so you can order the correct windshield wipers for your CX-5. You can see here it's not the standard connector that older cars have used. It does take a 18-inch and a 24-inch blade. These are actually really easy to swap out. I just pressed in the square with the screwdriver and it slid right out. And I think the other one I was able to push it down with my finger and get it out. And once you have it out, it literally just slides back in. It took me a lot longer to actually find the correct blades for these than it did to install them. On the original ones, I was able to get over 3 years of use out of them, so I think it's actually worth it to pay up for these